All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. This is John with Fog City RC. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. All right, guys, here is LC Racing's PTG-2 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive rally car. You've probably seen this on my channel a few weeks ago. We really ripped this thing on pavement. Drives great. Tires and wheels on this thing work perfectly, but we're gonna change them and take this thing off-road. All right, so it shows Snake Eye RXG. This is the Rally Gymkhana rally set. Wheels and tires from Firebrand RC. And there's a closer look at the label, guys. You can check out the specs right there. I mean, these look like a really, really good tire. Man, those things look fantastic. All right, time to run this thing. Let's go, guys. Well, that was a ton of fun. Again, so this LC Racing Rally car just has tons of power with the system I've got in there. You guys saw all about it in a previous video, but really I was out here having some fun with it off-road. So these tires, they're incredible. For off-road, they are gonna dig in and go. The stock ones don't have as much knobby, so you might get a little more performance on the pavement. These slide a bit, but I kind of like that. I like kind of sliding into the turns and having a good time like that. Anyway, so these tires and rims are awesome. The car, love it. Love the rally scene. It's been a ton of fun lately. Anyway, guys, John with Fog City RC, and we'll talk to you on the next one.